Well, today on the show, we're at Stone County Hospital in Wiggins on Highway 26. David Burkhart is the Chief Operating Officer. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing well. Give us a little bit of about the philosophy here at Stone County Hospital in caring for people.
As a critical access hospital, we can do most anything that any other hospital can do. We can actually do more than most other critical access hospitals can do, particularly those rural health hospitals. We offer a variety of services here. We have more than 15 qualified providers in our system with specialties including cardiology, podiatry, urology, dermatology, just a whole gamut of services in addition to primary care for the hospital here.
Well, you know, the great thing about it is people should know that they don't have to go to Hattiesburg or down to the Gulf Coast or anything to get the services, because they can get it right here at Stone County.
Correct. In addition to the different specialties, we also have a highly equipped radiology department, including MRI, CAT scans, ultrasound, X-ray. We have a fully equipped and modern laboratory that is open 24/7. We offer rehabilitation services, both inpatient and outpatient, right here in the hospital. We also have a 24/7 open Level 4 trauma emergency department here.
Wow.
That's staffed 24/7 by very qualified providers.
And along with that, I mean, you also have, which we'll go visit here in just a little bit, the clinic next door for those that just need to, you know, got the common cold or whatever, they need to get a treatment, again, without having to drive miles and miles to go see a general practitioner.
Correct, and it's actually very convenient for the patient as well as our providers, because we are right next door. So if they do need any of those diagnostic services, we're right here. It's kind of a one-stop shop, neighbors taking care of neighbors, so to speak. And that's what our goal is to take care of our community so they don't have to travel to the coast or to Hattiesburg.
And that's the great thing about Stone County Hospital, because you care about your neighbors. You're all one big family.
We are, actually. We really are.
Well, you mentioned your MRI and everything, so we're going to go talk to Sabrina right now and find out more about what they have to offer here at Stone County Hospital. Now, they do offer a lot of diagnostic test services here at Stone County Hospital. Sabrina Christopher is the Director of Radiology. How are you?
Very well. How are you today?
Very well, good. Tell us, you know, what got you into this, being, you know, in radiology. Well, how'd you get your interest in this?
Well, I've been working at Stone County here for about 5.5 years, and I absolutely love my job. And what got me into radiology is I was a basketball player for pretty much my entire life. So I suffered quite a few injuries throughout my time playing basketball. And throughout the injuries, I had to get quite a few x-rays. And so I got intrigued in it just a little bit that way. And so I said, this seems like a very nice career field that I would like to go into. So I applied for the radiology program in 2008 at Pearl River Community College. I graduated in 2010, and I met my wonderful husband of 3 years while I was in x-ray school. And it's just the moment I walked in the door here at Stone County, it's been one of the greatest jobs I've ever had in my entire life.
Well, a lot of people think that to get, you know, diagnostic test services or anything, they have to leave the area. And that's not true. You offer a lot right here at Stone County.
No, Jim, that's not true at all. You can get just about all your tests done here. We have all the major ancillary departments here. We have lab, we have respiratory, we have x-ray, and we have CT that we offer 24 hours a day that's open to the public. And we also have great physicians here, and they can order and diagnose anything right here at our hospital. We love our physicians here, and that
they do a great job.
They do a very wonderful job.
Now, you also are able to, you know, you're equipped to treat lung and heart diseases as well.
Yes, we are. With our CT scanner here, we are able to do that. CT scanner, it is 64 slice with the capability of doing 128 slices, which is fantastic. That just means that it can take a lot of pictures in a short amount of time. And we are able to we're able to diagnose cancer here, PE study, which are for blood clots, and then we have brain bleeds as well. We're able to diagnose those as well.
Wow, a lot of people don't realize that.
No, it's awesome.
That is awesome. Well, thank you so much, Sabrina. Another one of the great services they provide here is a speech pathologist. So let's talk to them now. Now, Stephanie Tapp is the speech therapist here at Stone County Hospital, and you're offering a new program, a new test for people who have problems swallowing.
Yes.
Tell me about that.
Okay. It's called a modified barium swallow study, and what it does, it just allows us to look at your swallowing from the chewing part of it and taking food or liquid in your mouth to actually swallowing it down. It gives us images and video of the entire process, how that happens. So we're able to see how a patient is able to chew their food, if they can chew it well, how quickly they're able to swallow it, and then when they swallow, it lets us know if they're getting it into the esophagus the way it should go, or if any of it trickles down into the airway. So into the airway and then into the lungs, which is called aspiration. So we want to just make sure they're on the safest diet. We're able to try different types of liquids with them, different types of solids, and see what they're safest on.
And who are good I mean, what should a person know if they think that maybe I should have this test done?
Usually the most often we see are patients who have had strokes, so maybe they've lost the ability to swallow, or geriatric patients or patients with dementia that those muscles just weaken over time like the rest of our body. So maybe they've just lost coordination with their swallow, or it's just weak. You've seen them with TBI patients, so maybe they've had some other damage done, or also patients with head and neck cancer that they've just had weakness or effects due to surgery, so they need one done as well.
That's awesome. A great new test here offered at Stone County Hospital. Thank you so much, Stephanie.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thanks.
Let's go over and see what they have at the clinic here at Stone County Hospital in Wiggins. Vicki Collier is the clinic manager here at Stone County. And tell us, if you would, the clinic here, what makes it different than any other walk-in clinic?
Well, with our clinic, you have same-day appointments. You can walk in at any time. And the value part it is that we are located across the street from the hospital. So any necessary exams or tests that needed, the convenience of the patient, that they can go right across the street from the hospital.
You know, they don't have to get a prescription and
No
drive
prescription,
20, 30
no,
miles away.
very
They can
convenient,
go right
very
in there.
convenient.
Now, what about the services you provide here at the clinic?
Well, we provide a comprehensive team of care. We not only have our providers that provide the care, primary care, but we do also have specialists here that also would provide the care for our patients. It is more like a continuity of care. And so we provide more of a quality, a whole-based care for our patients.
Now, besides some clinics that usually have just a nurse practitioner, you have nurse practitioners and physicians.
We have nurse practitioners and physicians who provide that continuity of care. We also have the specialists. Specialists we have range from cardiologists, urologists. We also have the wound care clinic, and we also have PT, physical therapy.
How about diabetes?
Diabetes, and that's a big focus with our primary care physician, and that what makes us so unique about our services, because our providers with diabetes management work hand along with our specialists to make sure we're managing our diabetes.
Thank you so much, Vicki Collier.
Thank you.
Stone County Hospital, Stone County Clinic. It's all about family here, and you need treatment. They can help you out as little as it can be, or however as big as it can be. Come by and see them here at Stone County Hospital on Highway 26.